Welcome to the Temu Credit Tutorial, a comprehensive guide on how to earn credits on the Temu platform. Temu is an e-commerce website that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. Earning Temu credits can help you save even more money on your purchases. To start earning Temu credits, you need to create an account on the Temu website. Once you have created your account, you can begin exploring the various ways to earn credits. One of the easiest ways to earn credits is by completing your profile. Make sure to fill out all the required information, including your name, email address, and shipping address. Another way to earn credits is by referring friends to the Temu platform. When you refer a friend, you will receive a certain amount of credits, and your friend will also receive a discount on their first purchase. You can refer as many friends as you want, and there is no limit to the amount of credits you can earn through referrals. You can also earn credits by participating in Temu's daily sign-in rewards. All you need to do is sign into your account every day, and you will receive a certain amount of credits. The amount of credits you receive will increase each day you sign in, so it's a good idea to make it a habit to sign in daily. In addition to these methods, you can also earn credits by leaving reviews for products you have purchased. When you leave a review, you will receive a certain amount of credits, which can be used to purchase future products. Make sure to leave honest and detailed reviews, as this will help other customers make informed purchasing decisions. Finally, you can also earn credits by participating in Temu's special promotions and events. Temu often runs special promotions and events, such as discounts and giveaways, and participating in these events can help you earn even more credits. In conclusion, earning Temu credits is a great way to save money on your purchases. By completing your profile, referring friends, participating in daily sign-in rewards, leaving reviews, and participating in special promotions and events, you can earn a significant amount of credits. Remember to always check your account regularly to see how many credits you have earned, and to use them before they expire. Start earning Temu credits today and start saving even more money on your purchases.